how to send big text on Snapchat. So if you want to send text on Snapchat but want to make it bigger compared to the default font, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to send a bigger text on Snapchat or send bigger text on Snapchat, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. This could be on your iPhone and it could be on your Android. Just go ahead and open the Snapchat app. Then click on the chat icon on the navigation, then select the member you want to chat with. So here, let's say I want to chat with myself. Then go ahead and type your message. Then here I'm going to say send bigger text on Snapchat. Send bigger text on Snapchat. Then once you type the text, no matter the length of the text, just make sure you come to the very end of the text and locate this up and down arrow. On the up and down arrow, move up like this on the up and down arrow to make the text really big, or swipe down like this to make the text really small. So just swipe up, and once the text is big enough, then let it go. Then choose the text send bigger text on Snapchat. So you can repeat this on any text you want to send as big text on Snapchat. And if you want to send small text on Snapchat, repeat the same thing again by dragging downward. Release to send. Once let it go, you're gonna see this is going to be very small. So that is basically how to send big text on Snapchat. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.